Ever wondered how the world of words came into existence? Well, it all started with the magical 26 letters of the alphabet. Each letter holds a key to a myriad of words, stories, and knowledge. Today, we embark on a delightful journey through this alphabet, where each letter brings a unique word to life. Our adventure begins with A. A stands for apple, a delicious fruit that keeps doctors at bay. Bright red and juicy, apples are a favorite worldwide. Next we have B, which stands for bear. These large, furry animals love to feast on honey and fish. They might look scary, but most bears are quite gentle. Coming up next is C. C stands for cat, a small, furry creature that loves to play with a ball of yarn. Cats are known for their grace and agility. D stands for duck. Ducks are birds with a delightful quack who love to swim in ponds and lakes. E is for elephant, the gentle giants of the animal kingdom. With their long, curved tusks and large ears, elephants are truly majestic creatures. Moving on to F, which stands for fish. Fish are fascinating creatures that breathe underwater and have scales instead of fur. G is for gorilla, a powerful and intelligent primate. Gorillas are remarkable creatures known for their strength and family bonds. H stands for hat, a stylish accessory that protects us from the sun and rain. Hats come in all shapes and sizes, from tall top hats to small caps. I is for igloo, a unique type of house made entirely of snow. They are often built by the Inuit people in the cold, snowy regions. Then comes J, which stands for jellyfish. These beautiful sea creatures move gracefully in the water, but watch out for their sting. K stands for kangaroo, an animal known for its powerful hind legs and pouch where it carries its babies. L is for lion, the king of the jungle. With its mighty roar and majestic mane, the lion is a symbol of strength and courage. M stands for monkey, a playful and intelligent creature. Monkeys are known for their love of bananas and swinging from trees. Next is N, which stands for nest. Birds build nests to lay their eggs and raise their young. O is for octopus, a sea creature with 8 long, flexible arms. Octopuses are incredibly clever and can change color to blend in with their surroundings. P stands for penguin, a bird that loves the cold and can't fly but swims incredibly well. Q is for queen, a title given to a female ruler or the wife of a king. R stands for rabbit, a small furry animal with long ears. Rabbits love to munch on carrots. S is for sun, the star at the center of our solar system that gives us light and warmth. T stands for turtle, a creature with a hard shell for protection. Turtles are known for their slow and steady pace. U is for umbrella, a handy tool that protects us from the rain or the hot sun. V stands for violin, a beautiful musical instrument known for its sweet and melodious sound. W is for whale, the largest animal on Earth. These gentle giants live in the ocean and are known for their impressive leaps out of the water. X stands for xylophone, a musical instrument with wooden bars that produce different notes when struck with a mallet. I stands for yellow, one of the primary colors. Think of the bright sun, ripe bananas, and cheerful daffodils. Finally, Z stands for zebra, a wild animal known for its striking black and white stripes. And there we have it, a delightful journey through the alphabet, from A for apple to Z for zebra. Each letter weaves a fascinating story and opens up a world of knowledge. So remember, every word you speak, every story you tell starts with these magical 26 letters.